Hi everyone. Last week I posted a prototype video of a tool to merge Revit subcategories, and the feedback was positive. We had response that this would be 500% useful, and then just a couple of days later it increased to 1,000% useful. That's pretty good stuff, and also got some nice feedback asking if this was going to recursively handle nested families. And so we've made those changes and are now going to release the tool. So before we do that, let's do a quick demo. So here we are in a project. We can see in object styles under columns. We have three different columns, so three different subcategories, A, B, and C. If we drill down into any one of these specific families, we'll see that there are, again, subcategories A, B, and C, which is where the categories came from to end up in our project. And in the case of this family, what we'll see is there is the geometry here in the family, this model text, and that extrusion. And we also have inside it this nested family. If we go into the nested family, then we see there, just like in our other families, that there is these subcategories for A and B. A is colored in red and B is in blue. So again, here's the nested family. Here's the geometry in this family itself. And here's our project file. We have a couple instances of column 3, column 2 with the nested family inside of it, and column 1. So here's the new tool called Subcategory Merge. What we do here is we pick the category, which is columns, pick in this case, two categories we're going to merge, which are A and B, and we'll merge that into a new category, and I'll call that D. Hit OK. It's going to go off and do its work. It's going to edit all the subfamilies, recursively edit the families below those. So now we're all done. All the families have been loaded back in, and the unused category is deleted. So now we see there's just two categories, C and D. And if we set a color for D, let's make that this nice purple. We can see that that's been applied to all of the objects before that were in the A and B subcategories. We can edit the family here and just check that. Again, here, this now is in subcategory D, as is this, and we can go down into the nested family and also see that that's been moved into category D, as has that bit of model text, as has that that extrusion, and we also retained in this family where the extrusion and model text, all these pieces have been moved into subcategory D. So again, both the lines using the cut and projection, we maintain the cut or projection options there. And this piece, which was in category C initially, stayed in subcategory C and is unchanged. So that's how we were able to merge subcategories A and B into a new subcategory D. The tool is posted in the Boost Your BIM Terrific Tools set on Bitbucket, and hope you enjoy. Have a great Thanksgiving.